robot class. Let me go back to the IDE. And in the IDE, I will also copy and paste the method and change the name from minimize using built-in feature to minimize using robot class. Bingo. And to manually minimize all applications, we use the Windows key plus the letter D. Therefore, we will execute the same command using the robot class. Start by writing robot equals new robot. Now, let's add the exception to the method signature, which is throws AWT exception. We press the key, which is a key event. Bingo. VK Windows. That's us pressing the Windows key. Next is to press the letter D. And we press the letter D by writing key event VK underscore D. Bingo. These two commands press the Windows key and the letter D. Next, we must release the Windows key and the letter D. So let me just copy and paste these two statements and change pressing the key to releasing the Windows key and also releasing the letter D. And that's all we need. Now let's run. It's processing. It loads the application. It minimizes the application. And we see that it passed. And the title is displayed in the application. As expected, the test execution was minimized and the page showed the title, the console showed the title. Those are the three ways to minimize our test script. We can use the built-in Selenium feature using the minimize method, the set position, and the robot class.